Pulukan kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatuwa molescensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Don't Jacob? There you go. The show was officially started. A round of applause for Jacob with Trainer Jamie. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Rochelle. Our next featured bird is just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning their mates are partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of twin couple. And today, they will battle out to see who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy!
How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky! Rocky!
Rocky! Rocky!
Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's round first ball. Alright, Sassy. Second ball for... Oh, it's a tie and for the last ball. What a close game. Winner Eagle, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Hope that we want another race. She wants another race, Trainer Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. So, the ring race is shall be. Remember guys, that boys already 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky first ring. Oh wait, what's happening? Sassy being at the turns at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is
Lahat niyan.
Sassy.
Nakikita ko. Kinuha lahat niyan. Kinuha lahat.
What happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated. No, we keep Sassy use her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy, Rocky with Trainer Mark and Trainer Rico.
Uy, na si Rocky nagtampo. Nagtampo si Rocky.
Parents in particular known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not to get bored. Here's Sassy, our queen Mako, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back into her right slot. Just like Sassy, Green Mako is from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachlorantera. And for the last shade, there you go. It's all good, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Eagle. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will make people baffled in the maze, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before calling our mathematical wizard, I need 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? What number? 7. So the first number is number 7. How about the second number? 8. So the second number is number 8. So the equation is 7 plus 8. But before calling our mathematical wizard, Trainer Mark will shuffle the numbers.
When you choose power
Ready? Now let's call in our hybrid makong, Rocky. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. 3 more. Is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky. So make question for us. So once again, 7 plus 8. And he gets the first number. Correct.
7.
How about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think he's calculating. Oh, he knows the answer.
Alam niya.
And he gets the number 5. So 7 plus 8 equals to 15. A round of applause for Rocky, the winner mark. This time, I need a volunteer with 500 best wheel. Anyone here who wants to be the lucky volunteer for today? Just raise your hand and Trainer Angel will choose one.
Sama?
We need an adult bawal po ang
Ay,
bata.
adult daw eh. Bawal pa.
Once again, with 500 decibel. Okay, we got one. You will notice our birds in their show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Oh, sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. First up, what is your name? How about the round of applause for Mr. Oliver? Okay, sir. Okay, please follow me. All you have to do is stand right here, face this way, and extend your left arm just like this. And I will put your money between your fingers. So, sir, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? No? Now let's call our money bird, Body. Body is also our Mulukan trap too. Body flies over. Oh, he hits the body. And I think, Body will just take the money around the pastor donor. Sir Oliver, I have a question. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know your money will go a long way and we're very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you po! How about 1,000 pesos this time? I don't know. Wala na. Sir Oliver, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Sir, we're just kidding. It's a part of the show. Please come back to your bag and we will give your money back. Come here, sir. Okay, Buddy, say something. Before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, all you have to do is stand right here. Look at the camera and offer your cheek. Come on, Buddy. Go. Nice! One more! How about on your hand? Please open your palm. Look at the camera and smile.
Ang cute.
Alright, here's your money. A round of applause for a lucky volunteer.
Yeah.
Now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another special bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Present our Brahmanic line, here comes Shadow. Later known as Navi, our brother in Visayas region. And everyone, here comes our chickens. Wow, look at that, so beautiful. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an unique working. They are generally returned to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our Brahmanic line, our chickens and our moving pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
recycle. Very good. So once again, here's Bobby and Robbie to show us the proper waste disposal. Very good. Easy, right? If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how the small efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who make this show possible. Trainer Mikey with Body. Trainer April with Rocky. Trainer David with Shadow. Trainer Mark and Trainer Sean with the chickens. And Trainer Jamie with the moving pigeons. And once again, I'm Trainer Rochelle. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea lion show. And guys, please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Laki. Ano yung sabi sa laki?
Sila yun naman! Yay!
Nasa na pa mo
Sila yun!